What if I told you that 2 hours a day and a Wi-Fi connection is all you need to pull in $100 a day, starting this week with zero experience? Sounds like a stretch, right? Here's the thing, it's not, because AI does the heavy lifting for you. You're not learning design, writing, or voice acting. You're learning how to point the right tool at the right job and hit deliver. Every single service I'm about to show you has new sellers. People who started from nothing, no portfolio, no reviews, racking up over 1,000 sales each. That's not luck, that's proven demand. And the kicker? You can stack all 10 of these on one Fiverr account and turn it into a money-making machine where you're never relying on a single gig to carry you. Let's get into it. Service number 1. Turning a still image into video. Look at this seller, over 1,000 orders. All he does is take a photo from the buyer and loop it into a short, animated clip using a tool like Runway. And before you ask, no, you're not paying a dime. We're using free plans for everything. Open the generative session, drop in the image, and if the buyer wants a seamless animated GIF, upload that same image again at the end so the clip starts and finishes on the same frame. That little trick is what makes it loop perfectly. For the prompt, just type what they asked for, something like smooth motion or gentle camera pan. Send it off, done in minutes. Start your price at $15, and if you want to add a premium tier, offer text to video directly. Take the buyer's written description, generate the base image in Leonardo AI first, then animate it in Runway. 2 tools, 1 delivery, double the price. But here's where it gets interesting. Service number 2 is AI logo design. This is a brand new seller who already crossed 1,000 sales, and you can absolutely do the same. The whole trick is letting AI design it. Open Leonardo AI, hit image. Creation, pick the style the buyer wants and set dimensions to 1:1 so it fits clean as a logo. Now take the buyer's details, their business name, colors, the feeling they want, drop them into ChatGPT and ask it to write you a detailed logo prompt. Don't skip this step. A good prompt is the difference between something usable and something generic. Copy that, paste it into Leonardo, hit generate and give it a few tries until one clicks. Download the cleanest result and send it over. Start at $5 to stack up reviews fast, then climb to $20 as your rating builds. Number 3. AI-generated art. This is the part most people miss. It has way less competition but serious demand. This seller, over 1,000 sales. You just take the buyer's prompt, run it through Leonardo AI, and download the result. But don't send a bare image, that's the rookie move. Drop it into a mockup first so it looks like a real framed print or product. Search Art Mockup on Canva and place your piece inside. It instantly looks 10 times more professional and justifies your price. Price this one at $10 to start, and offer a few size or framing variations as upsells later. Service 4. Content writing with AI. Look at the price this seller charges for a simple blog you can generate in minutes. Here's how to stand out. Offer writing in another language like Spanish or German. Barely any competition there, and the money's real because most sellers only do English. Take the buyer's topic, style, and word count. Then instead of using plain ChatGPT, which can read robotic and get flagged, open the GPT Explorer, search blog content writer, and use that specialized version. Paste your prompt, and your blog reads far more natural. Save it to Google Docs, do a quick read-through to catch anything off, then export as a PDF. Charge $5 per 500 words, and always highlight in your title that it's SEO friendly. That one phrase pulls in buyers searching specifically for it. Now, number 5 is the most profitable on this whole list, AI-generated ebooks. This gig hit over 1,000 sales, but instead of copying it, we're going after kids' stories, which are the hottest sellers and the easiest to produce. Take the buyer's title or idea, ask ChatGPT to write both the story content and a separate image prompt for each chapter, then use the ebook creator plugin to generate the full book structure. For visuals, head to Leonardo AI, pick the cartoon style, set the ratio to 9:6, and generate an image for every section using those prompts you prepared. Drop everything into Google Docs, place one image at the end of each chapter so it flows like a real storybook, and export. Start at $30 a book, and once you've got 5 to 10 solid reviews, bump it to $50. Buyers happily pay more once they see proof. Service 6. SEO Keyword Research. Bloggers are constantly hunting for trending topics to rank higher. That's exactly why these gigs sell on repeat. Use the free SEO Keyword Research GPT inside ChatGPT, feed it the buyer's topic or niche, and it spits out a ranked keyword list with search intent. Paste it into Google Docs, clean it up, and deliver. Charge $5 for 50 keywords, $10 for 150. Quick, repeatable, and buyers often come back. And if you think that's easy, wait for the next one. Number 7. AI business naming. This might be the simplest, most popular service here. New sellers are crossing 1,000 sales doing nothing but naming brands. The buyer wants a name and can't land on one night, so you do it for them in seconds. Use Namelicks, answer a few quick questions about the vibe, industry, and keywords they want included, and it generates professional, brandable names instantly. Pick 1 or 2 strong options, and even include a quick note on why they work. Set this at $5. It takes 2 minutes per order. Service 8, product mockups. And honestly, this one's fun. We turn a plain product image into something that looks studio shot. This seller's pulling $30 an order with over 1,000 sales, and here's another doing the exact same. Go to Canva, grab a mockup that matches the buyer's product, a t-shirt, mug, phone case, whatever. Drag in their image, adjust the fit, and you're done. Don't match that top seller's price out the gate, though. They've got hundreds of reviews backing them up. Start at $10, build your reputation, then raise it. Number 9, AI translations. People pay real money to get entire books and PDFs translated, and this gig's well past 1,000 sales. The hack? Focus on English to Spanish, one of the most in-demand pairs out there. But never touch Google Translate. It'll earn you a 1-star review fast because the quality just isn't there. Instead, break the text into smaller chunks, run each through ChatGPT for a clean, natural translation, compile it all into a polished PDF, and deliver. Price it at $5 per 200 words, and scale up for larger documents. And number 10, one of the hottest right now, AI voiceovers. Even brand new sellers on this gig clear 1,000 sales. Want less competition? Target Spanish voiceovers. They convert even better, and buyers are actively searching for them. Head to 11 Labs, search the voice type you need, add it to your library, paste the buyer script, and hit generate. You get a high-quality, natural-sounding voiceover ready to ship in minutes. So here's the bottom line. Don't burn hours hunting for other services. These 10 are the easiest, most proven options out there, and every one of them runs on free tools. If this gave you a plan you can actually use, do me a favor and hit that like button. And subscribe so you don't miss the step-by-step breakdowns coming next. Starting today, set up your Fiverr account and publish these gigs. I'll see you in the next one.